Alright, so for this problem here, so what I'm going to do, first I'm just going to start off by redrawing this over here. We have this is 25 degrees, this is 4 miles, this is 72 degrees. So just as you found, this is going to be 18 degrees, and this is going to be 65 degrees. Right, so to find the distance from this path to the shore, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to break this up into two triangles, right? And so I'm going to call this portion here of the 4 mile distance, I'm just going to call it X, and then call this other half of it, call it Y, right? So now we know that X plus Y has to equal 4. And then we also know that, so we know, for instance, for the bottom triangle, we have that the tangent of 18 degrees is equal to, let's call this D. So that's going to be opposite over adjacent. And we can rearrange and get that D is equal to Y tan of 18 degrees. And then we could go through the same sort of process for the top triangle to get that X is equal, or sorry, that X tan of 65 is also equal to D. And so what that tells us is that Y tangent of 18 degrees is equal to X tangent of 65 degrees. Right, and then so we now have two equations, two unknowns. We can solve this using any number of methods. The method that I most prefer is augmented matrices. And so to put this into an augmented matrix, I'm going to subtract this over. So minus tan 65 x plus tan 18 y is equal to 0. And so my augmented matrix is going to look like 1, 1, 4, and then tangent of 65, I'm getting, well, negative tangent, so negative 2.14, and then tangent of 18, I'm getting 0.32, and then 0. And now if I enter this into my calculator and row reduce, let's see what we get. Equals 5 Give me just a moment to enter it all in. All right, so I'm finding that, so I'm getting 0.53 for x. X 0.53, and then y was 3.47. 3.47. 4, 7, right? But really what we're after is the distance, right? So we need to take either one of these and multiply by their respective tangents. And when we do that, equals that times 10. And just to be sure, I did it for both of them, and in both cases, I end up with 1.129. And that should be the final answer that we are looking for.